In this video, we're taking a look at the new contract section in the Eagle CRM mobile app. So in the main menu on the left, we now have this new contracts menu item. And when we tap into that, we get a list of all our contracts. We have a filter at the top right. We can filter by current contracts, by settled contracts, or cancelled contracts. And in our list of contracts, we can also search. So we can type in here and search to find a contract. And each contract in this list will show some key information up front. So the grey text below the address, this will show the most recently completed date. So on a contract, we have acceptance date, we have finance date, we have conditional, and we have settlement. So this will show the most recently completed date along that pipeline. Then below that, it will also show if a date is overdue or if a date is upcoming, which you can see in the yellow pill there. So to create a new contract, we tap the plus down the bottom right and we just fill in the form. We select the property. We would fill in all the details. I'll just put some basic information in here. So we'll save that. And then this contract will show in the list at the top here. So we can now tap into this contract. So when we tap into the contract, we have the About tab first, and this is showing the same information that shows on the web app. So we have these dates at the top. These are the dates that the contract date actually is completed. So if I want to mark the deposit as received, I would tap into that and set the date that it's received, and I would save that, and that will tick it as being completed. I won't do it in this case. Further down, we have the details of the contract, the price, deposit amount, etc., commission, and also the dates. So these are the dates that are either completed or upcoming. So you can see here we have deposit due. And then if I was to mark the deposit as being received, then it would, instead of saying deposit due, it would say deposit received and show the date there that it was received. So we can also edit a contract once it's been created. We just tap edit in the top right corner and we can add or remove details there. We can also tap over and view our contacts. So this is really handy when you're out and about and you need to call someone like a solicitor. You've got all their details here. You don't need to dig and find or try to remember their name. It's all on the contract here. So let's go ahead and add our vendor on. And now you can see I can easily access Katrina from the contract. Next tab over is activity. So this is the activity feed for the contract. And the last tab is tasks. So if you have any outstanding tasks, you can view them here as well. So we hope that makes it easier to view important information about contracts and important dates and contacts on the contract to make it easier to manage when you're out and about.